Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Gemini. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how I create amazing content using Gemini. Personally, I've been using Gemini to create content for the past 6 months now, and to be frank with you, I love the output that I usually get. That is why I decided to share my workflow with other persons who might be struggling with content creation. When it comes to creating content with Gemini, the first thing I do with Gemini is to brainstorm. I use it for brainstorming. I use it to find good topic ideas. What I basically do is that I hop in on Gemini and ask it to give me title ideas. So once it is done, I also go to the search and look at what is already ranking on the search. Once I look at the search and compare everything and I'm okay with the title, what I do next is to ensure that I am good when it comes to SEO. So I simply ask Gemini to suggest some latent semantic indexing keywords that I should add in my article. Once it has made the suggestions, I go further to also ask it to provide a meta description for the article or video description for the video, as the case may be. So once it has done, as you can see on the screen, I will move to the next phase, which is the actual content creation. So now I have my title and I have all the things I need for SEO. So the next thing I will do is to ask Gemini to come up with an outline for the content that I want to write, or for the video script I want to write. So now, as you can see, it has given me an outline of what I should include in the article. So I will also go to the search and look at the articles that are ranking, what is inside the article, what did they cover, because I also don't want to produce a generic article that doesn't add any value to the reader. Now that I've looked at it, if I love what I have seen or there's any changes I need to make, I will just make it in my text editor. So once I am done with that, I will copy my outline and go back to Gemini. I don't stop at outlining. I tell Gemini who my target audience are, their demographic, their interest, and I also tell Gemini the number of sentences I want in a paragraph and the number of words I want in a sentence. I also provide Gemini with those latent semantic indexing keywords to include in the article as well. All of this is to ensure that I am getting the best. So now I will ask Gemini to write the article. As you can see on the screen, Gemini is actually writing the article. So I'm just going to wait. Now, once Gemini is done with the article, I have to read through the article to see what it has provided for me, to fact check them to ensure that every information inside the article is actually correct. So once I am done with that, I have made all the changes and I love what I've gotten as a final result. The next thing I do is to proofread and edit. Remember, while making those changes, I might have missed something, typo, I might have come up with sentence that isn't clear. So I want to run it back on Gemini for it to suggest areas that I need to improve with. So as you can see, it's already doing that. Once it has made the suggestion, I just have to look at it and make the correction in my text editor. So once I am good with what I have, that simply means my article is either ready to be published or to be sent to the client. So that's basically how I create amazing content using Gemini. So if you found this video helpful, do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also share this video so that it can get to more people. Thank you.